Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down with your finger to the additional settings. Now just go to the gesture shortcuts section, and here you can see the launch Google Assistant section. Just to turn on this function, you tap on the switcher once, and now as can you see, by pressing for a while on the power button, you can see the Google Assistant. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again, and as can you see, we just turn off this function. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.